Today we're memorizing Psalm 96:3. We're also going to talk about how that works and why it's important. Hi friends, I'm Miss Nancy Ruth.
And I'm Mr. Roger.
We want to see kids living for Jesus. Psalm 96:3. Declare his glory among the nations, his marvelous deeds among all peoples. Psalm 96:3. What does that look like? It looks like telling people what God has done in the Bible, what he's done in your life, what you've seen him do in other people's lives, telling people about Jesus and the gospel of Jesus Christ, the mighty ways that God works in our lives through Christ Jesus. That's what that means. Let's say this verse again, and then I have a challenge for you. Psalm 96:3. Declare his glory among the nations, his marvelous deeds among all peoples. Psalm 96:3. So here's my challenge for you. 1, are you glorifying God in your prayer life? Are you telling God how amazing he is? That's glorifying the Lord, and you can learn more in this video. The second, are you telling people about God's glory? Don't forget to subscribe. We post memory verses in 4 translations, key passages, answers to Bible questions, and more. Check out our store and freebies at parentroadmin.com. We love you, friends. See you next time.